This video shows how to change printing engine. First, remove signal wire of oscillator. Then remove nozzle. Remove 6 screws and take out top cover carefully. Scrape off the insulating glue. Remove 2 high voltage wires. Then remove ground wire. Finally, solder off these wires, then we can remove printing engine. Solder the new printing engine. Please pay attention to the wire sequence. The 3 wires on the right side are thicker. Begin reinstallation. Install the insulating sheet first. Note a ring here. Then reinstall ground wire. Fit the seal ring properly. Install the high voltage deflection plate. Note the O-ring. Note polarity of deflection plates. Install the 2 high voltage wires. The red wire connects to the positive deflection electrode, and the black wire connects to the negative one. Then apply insulating glue. Install the cover plate back carefully. Tighten 2 diagonal screws first. Tighten all 6 screws completely. Reinstall nozzle. Align print head to be flush at this position. Reinstall the oscillator signal wire. Printing engine replacement complete. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us anytime if you have any questions.